Hey, DIY Smart Life here. Today we have an overripe mango. Too soft to eat fresh? Don't throw it away. We're going to turn it into two crazy desserts that kids are going to love. And guess what? No ice cream machine, no gelatin, and no oven. It's all about science, smart tips, and a little patience. First, let me show you why overripe mango is absolutely perfect for this. Here's the science. Overripe mango has more sugar and broken down pectin. That means both the jelly and the ice cream will have a sweeter taste and a smoother texture. We're going to make creamy mango ice cream and super bouncy mango jelly. The kids are going to go crazy for it, and you'll feel like a DIY hero. Let's get started. We're going to cut the stems off the mangoes. Then, cut along both sides of the pit, those are the two cheeks. Use a knife to cut lines, both lengthwise and crosswise, on those two cheeks. This will make it easy and quick to separate the flesh from the skin. You can use a spoon to scoop out the flesh, or you can remove the mango skin first, as long as you get the mango flesh as easily as possible. Now we have the mango flesh, ready to use, with the skin and pit removed. Let's put all the mangoes into a bowl to mash them up. Since the mangoes are so ripe, it's really easy to mash them using a fruit masher. As you can see, if you just mash it gently like this, the flesh will break down and release its juices. And now we have our mashed mango. Now, strain it through a fine mesh sieve to remove any fibers. This step is really important for both the jelly and the mousse. No fibers means no grittiness, and the kids won't complain. The mango puree is liquid gold, sweet, fragrant, and smooth. One large mango yields about 300 to 400 milliliters of puree. Let's start with the agar jelly, which is a favorite for kids. Put the boiling water and the agar powder into the pot. Agar powder is extracted from red seaweed, so it can set without needing a fridge. We need to boil it, otherwise the agar won't set. We'll stir it well and let it simmer for 2 minutes. The agar powder needs heat to activate. Take the jelly mixture and add the mango puree. Stir it gently, and remember not to boil it again. Why? Because it will lose its aroma and vitamin C. Stir gently. Try to avoid creating air bubbles. Air bubbles mean bad jelly. The baby won't care, but the mom likes it pretty. We're going to use a mold. This is a silicone mold that we use for shaping. Kids really love food that looks pretty. So, let's pour the mango juice into the mold like this. Keep pouring into the other sections of the mold. We only pour it up to the surface. I chose a smaller mold, about 2 to 3 centimeters each, so that the kids can hold and eat it more easily. After pouring the jelly into the mold, let it cool at room temperature for about 20 to 30 minutes. Since agar sets below 40 degrees, you don't need the fridge, though keeping it chilled will make it firmer and cooler for the kids. And while we used mango juice in this video, you can make similar jelly using many other fruits for vibrant colors. Think of using dragon fruit for red, or pandan leaves for a beautiful blue. Doesn't it look absolutely stunning? Now, let's move on to the creamy mango ice cream, a perfect treat for the kids. First, place the mango flesh, making sure to remove all the seeds and skin, into the blender. Next, pour in a little condensed milk to give it that perfect sweetness. Finally, add some fresh milk to make the ice cream extra rich and wonderfully creamy. Now, let's go ahead and blend this mango. I'd love to know where you're watching from today, so please leave a comment below. It's truly amazing to connect with people all over the world. Thank you so much for your support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Next, we're going to make the whipped cream mixture. I'm going to mix the whipping cream powder with a little water and beat it until it reaches a smooth, thick consistency. The science behind this is that the fats in the whipping cream surround the water molecules, which prevents the formation of large ice crystals. That's why the final cream is so smooth and never icy. Now that we have our whipped cream base, we're going to fold in the pre-mashed mango. We'll mix this everything together until the color is completely uniform, just like this. And there you have it, our delicious mango ice cream base is ready. The next step is simply to pour this mixture into the molds. I will now pour the mango cream mixture into the molds, doing it in sections, just like this. When it comes to nutrition, we know every mother cares deeply about her child's well-being. That's why we've packed this dish with goodness. Mango is naturally rich in vitamin A, which is excellent for developing eyesight. Plus, it contains vitamin C, helping to boost immunity, especially when the mango is perfectly ripe. We've also added whipped cream to ensure a boost of calcium for strong bones. Best of all, this recipe contains no preservatives and no artificial colors. We are confident this is the perfect, wholesome solution for every mother. I am so happy to share this video with you today. I've created 2 delicious dishes that my kids absolutely adore. When it comes to feeding children, we all know that many commercial products on the market are packed with preservatives and artificial additives. But I wanted to find a healthier, more natural alternative. That's why I made this mango jelly. It is incredibly rich in natural nutrients, especially the vitamin C found in fresh mangoes. The best part is that I made this recipe entirely from scratch, right here at home. It's a perfect, wholesome treat that tastes amazing but keeps the kids healthy. If you're looking for a delicious, guilt-free snack, this is it. Just look at my 2 children enjoying this mango jelly. They are absolutely loving it. I hope this inspires you to try making something natural and healthy for your family, too. You don't need fancy machines, gelatin, or even an oven. All you need is a piece of fruit, a few simple ingredients you probably already have, and a little bit of clever technique. Your kids are going to think you're some kind of dessert wizard. And you get to save food from the trash. That's smart living. Try this out today, and let me know in the comments, which one does your child prefer? The creamy, smooth mousse, or the bouncy, jiggly jelly? And that wraps up this video. If you have any thoughts or suggestions, please drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And please share this video with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.